the lecture number 5. Today we are just talking about the octal number. Actually, already we have written here. Octal number means your base is 8 actually this time. Suppose you have number, any number, okay. This time your base is 8, okay. Before coming in this lecture, you must clear the lecture number 2. Actually, what we are just talking about the base, okay. So here we will not write it. So your base 0, 0, 0. In octal number, you have a total number of 3 digits you will write. Then after then, you know that 0, after then you have take only 2 digits, 0 or 1. After 0, your first number that hold only 0 and 1, that is the number is 001. And after then the second number that is holding only 2 digits and 0 and 1, which is greater than this, that is 1, and after then you have 10, okay. This is the second number, okay. Then after then the third number, it is holding 0 and 1, 2 digits, and which is greater than this, that this number is 10, after then 11, okay. Now you have to think that what number is greater than this and it is holding total number of 3 digits, but it is greater than this, total number of 2 digits, but it is greater than this, that number is greater than this number is 100. Then after then second number is 101, then after then 1110, then after then 111. So this is the sequence 0, 01, 10, 11, okay. So this is the sequence. So you have to take every time. So it is representing 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. If you will just write the binary number, okay, already we have discussed before. This is 2 ki power 0 into 1, this is 2 ki power 1 into 1, and this is 2 ki power 2 into 1. If you will add it, then you will get the same number. 2 ki power 2 means 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is 7. Same number we are getting, okay. This is the octal number. Suppose you have this number, okay. So here the base is 8. According to this, after some time we will discuss that how to write it, okay. So this is the octal number, okay. Total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number, it is starting from 0 to 7, okay. So this form is the octal number. Thank you so much.